You know I said yes.
Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In the first full-length video of our collection, and today we have something really special from Hot Wheels in a special edition type of thing, I think, judging by the card, which is far larger than the usual ones. We will get to the usual ones if you don't know how they look, and part of a larger collection, some of which I have, and we will get to them. We have Mclaren Senna. If you know the actual car, the full scale one, so to speak, then you know this what this is. If not, I will place a photo on the screen for you to see, and in the description below I will link a site where you can see the McLaren Senna in its full glory. And if you know something about it, you know that McLaren is a British company, and yet they have this Brazil logo. If you know, you know. If not, I will tell you a bit later why this is Brazil here. Now, going forward for the first impressions, I already cut out the blister to take out the car, and I will do that in the future. I don't want to show any pointy things on the channel. You know why. And let's take a first impression on it. Let's set the card aside. And honestly, I'm a bit speechless. This is a really nice nice model. If you don't know the size, this is 1/64 of the actual car in this baby blue with dark accents, and it really is something else entirely. If you know the car, you know that this section right here is full glass, including this one in the doors, both of them. Here, of course, it is plastic. Yeah, I'm quite speechless. It's really cool. But let's get to it and see what details we can find. From the start, let's see if the camera focuses. Come on. Okay, this is a bit better, yeah. You can see the McLaren logo, yeah, and the Senna name. It is a bit small, of course, but hopefully the camera will adjust. Actually, it is like the real thing. It has the McLaren in the middle and the Senna right here in the right on the right side. How you look at it with the head with the stoplights. This is something I'm not really sure what this is on the actual car. The wing. The wing on the full scale model was a bit of a controversy because it doesn't look that pretty, but it is actually functional. There are a lot of reviews, including from Jeremy Clarkson, if I remember correctly, of Top Gear, or even the Top Gear itself, or Grand Tour of the actual car, and I would really recommend. But going forward, indeed, we have these vents for channeling air. This one, the main scoop that goes into the engine. Hopefully I can show you that. You see? The engine. The interior is highly detailed from what I can see. Come on. From what I can see. Yeah, the air scoops. And this front section really detailed. Unfortunately, it does seem to have some problems here in the front from the mold, I guess, when it was cast. Here at the wing, but again, it is what it is. These can't be perfect, and actually, I think it gives it a bit of style. But a gripe I have with Hot Wheels, not necessarily in general, but there are a few exceptions, are the headlights. On a few models that I have, The headlights are painted, are real, so to speak. But on some of them, including this one, as you can see from the card, they couldn't do it. Not really sure why, but it doesn't really matter. Now, if you don't know the story behind the McLaren Senna, or why it has Brazil here, or even the name itself, back in the 80s or 90s, I'm not really sure at this moment. My bad, didn't do the homework. McLaren had a driver, Ayrton Senna. He was a legend, and he still is a legend in the F1 community. A terrific driver, an absolute terrific driver. There is no way, no other way to say it. And actually, he was from Brazil. That is why we have this logo here, because technically this car was developed and released on a day of his passing, on an anniversary, and the car bears his name. Technically, the McLaren Senna, this is a track-focused car. Again, the styling in the car community has been of some controversy because of the real thing styling. As you can see, it's not the prettiest car in the world, but the track capabilities of this thing are unparalleled. Like, not many track-focused cars can keep up or keep a candle to this thing, to the actual thing that is. Now, of course, the details, as you can see, we are not working with several little things that take away. We can't peek inside the interior. Hopefully, in the future, I will be able to get larger size model. Come on, this camera is not focusing at all. And then we will make it together and see exactly the interior, how it looks, how it can be painted, and so on and so forth. But on the matter of Ayrton Senna himself, Jeremy Clarkson made a documentary especially memorizing or in memory of Ayrton, but I'm not really sure where. It might be Top Gear or the Grand Tour. Not really sure, but this is it. This is the new addition to the toy cabinet. I am really fond of this thing. It looks absolutely stunning, and it will be a great addition to the toy cabinet garage of Hot Wheels. We will get to that in the future. Yeah. And that was it. Thank you so much for watching. In the description below, I will place an affiliate link for Amazon for this thing, for this exact thing, if you're interested in buying. The link for a website where you can see the pictures of the actual car, much more detailed than what I can describe, and maybe a link for Wikipedia for Ayrton. I mean, why not? A legend has to be remembered, including the wheels. These are very detailed. I forgot about those. Yeah. Then thank you so much for watching. Like I said, stick around for a music video. I will try and make using this thing with a song that I will also place in the description below. Also, don't forget you can find us on other social medias. Again, link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next. Leave a comment if you like this video, and a like, and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Have a great one.
said yes. You know I said yes. You know I said yes. You know I said yes.